Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome back to my channel. I've been asked to find a Tunisian stitch that looks the same on the front and the back. And I think this one is the closest one I've been able to find. Here's the front of this little swatch and here is the back of the swatch. So very similar, not exact, but let me show you how to do the Tunisian double crochet, which is pretty close to reversible compared to many Tunisian swatches, which look like a purl bump on the back and then the stitch on the front. So let's go ahead and chain, I don't know, 10, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to do one more because I'm going to allow that first one to be the first double crochet. So I'm pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 2 loops on the hook, yarning over, inserting a loop in the back bar, back ridge, back bump, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 2 loops on the hook. So this is how we Tunisian double crochet right from the beginning foundation chain. So we don't even really need to do the foundation right away with the Tunisian simple stitch as the foundational row. We could do that if we wanted, but we don't have to. So as we do a double crochet in each stitch without finishing it, so yarn over, insert the hook in the back ridge, back loop, back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. And instead of yarning over and pulling through 2 loops on the hook again, we are just leaving it undone in this same way. And we'll do this all the way across. I hope you're having a fantastic and valuable use of your day. The Go Crochet Baby Blankets book, Volume 1 by Ellen Gormley is now on Amazon. It is also by PDF on my website, ellengormley.com, and all of the patterns are available a la carte by PDF, available on my website. Okay, so we have our loops, and then we will yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And the second row is very important, so don't think you know it all yet. Because as you know with Tunisian stitches, where you put the stitch matters. So for this stitch to be reversible, we are going to do it knitwise. So I'm going to chain 1 to help make that first stitch a little taller. And this stitch here on the edge is now complete with this loop on the hook. And then the second stitch is right here between my fingers. And there's one loop that kind of looks like it's in the front and one loop that kind of looks like it's in the back. And we're going to spear those after yarning over. So yarning over and then sticking the hook from the front to the back, kind of splitting the front loop and the back loop. So we're doing it knitwise. Yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through 2 loops on the hook. Okay, so we isolate the next loop there, and we are stabbing after yarning over through the fabric from the front to the back through those 2 loops. Okay, so yarn over, insert knitwise, which is to go yarn straight through the back, pull up a loop, it splits those 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Okay, so we will continue to do this all the way across. So we're doing this as a Tunisian double crochet, which means we yarn over, but we're doing it knitwise, which means we're stabbing from front to back through and separating the loops of the previous stitch on the previous row. Yarn over and pull through 2, leave 1 loop remaining on the hook. Okay, so this is the Tunisian double crochet knitwise, and it is among one of the more reversible stitches I have encountered in Tunisian crochet. So if you can think of any other stitches that you think look pretty darn reversible, in terms of the right side, the public side, and the private side, or the wrong side, then let me know what you think. Let me know what you have found out. Otherwise, many of the Tunisian stitches look one way on the front, but they look like purl bumps on the back. So here's our front of Tunisian double crochet knitwise, and the back Tunisian double crochet knitwise. So no, it is not completely reversible. It is just one of the more reversible stitches that I have found so far with Tunisian crochet. So if you're interested, please give this a thumbs up and a like, and always you can check me out on weekday mornings, most weekday mornings, for the 5 Minute Crochet Podcast. Take care. Bye.